Today, folks, I'm starting a new series on tongue twisters. So we are going to have a look at French tongue twisters. The first one today is this one. That's going to be a tough one. Right, let's have a look at one of the most popular tongue twister in French. Now, a tongue twister, I can't even say tongue twisters. Tongue twister in French is called a vire-langue, okay? Now, here's our vire-langue number one. Oh my gosh, I'm struggling with the introduction. Can you imagine what this is going to be like? Okay, we can we're concentrating on the word ch, C-H, ch, okay? Okay, here we go. Les chaussettes de l'archiduchesse sont-elles sèches, archi-sèches? That is the tongue twister number one. Les chaussettes de l'archiduchesse sont-elles sèches, archi-sèches? Okay, now, can you try? Yeah, well, ooh, not bad at all. Now, I'm going to say it much slower and then I will translate it for you, okay? Though bear in mind that most tongue twisters mean nothing at all. Okay, here we go. Les chaussettes de l'archiduchesse sont-elles sèches? Archi-sèches. Okay? Now, literally means the archduchess's socks, are they dry? Very dry. Okay? So that's the translation in English. Okay? Archiduchesse being archduchess. Okay? And chaussette mean socks, okay? Now, notice that the word archi also means very, okay? But we could have said très, très sèche, very dry. And archi also means very. Now, what I would like you to do is video yourself, as in record yourself saying this very popular French twister and send it to me at Learn French with Alexa on YouTube, because if I like it very much, I will put it on my next tongue twisters video. How does that sound? Would you do that for me? Okay, now that's it for me. Watch this video again if you want to have a look at the pronunciation a bit more, and remember that CH in French is ch and not ch, okay? I've got a little song for you. It goes like this. Les chaussettes de l'archiduchesse sont-elles sèches, archi-sèches, archi-sèches? Wow, that was tough. Now, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already, if you want to know more about us at Learn French with Alexa. That's it for me. Au revoir, à bientôt, bisous, bisous. Well, that was a funny one. R. 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 Can you feel it? You've got no choice but to say R. Yeah? Route. Et puis la dernière pour moi aussi. Ouais. Donc si tu veux m'aimer, appelle.